If you only got one day, we'll show you Miami our way. Start at Bayside, let's get away on an architecture cruise through Biscayne Bay. 90 minutes on the water, no stress, no rush, just laughter. 360-degree views that matter. Skyline Islands, happily ever after. Sip a mojito while you ride. Real tour guide, English and Espanol. Snap the skyline camera wide. Golden light turning sunset gold. Take a ride round Biscayne Bay. Cold drinks, blue skies on full display. Celebrity homes and Miami waves and Miami architecture cruises today. Take a ride round Biscayne Bay. Cold drinks, blue skies on full display. Celebrity homes and Miami waves and Miami architecture cruises today. Star Island shining like a dream. Fisher Palm, Venetian in between. Downtown towers shimmer clean. South Beach sunshine in your beam. Feel the breeze in every song. Cruise with us all day long. Sunset glow, a nightlight strong. The Miami rhythm where you belong. From morning break to evening calm, the skyline's charm is your soundtrack. Yeah, no place else feels quite as warm. Let the bay put joy on your map. Take a ride round Biscayne Bay. Cold drinks, blue skies on full display. Celebrity homes and Miami waves with Miami architecture cruises today. Take a ride round Biscayne Bay. Cold drinks, blue skies on full display. Celebrity homes and Miami waves with Miami architecture cruises today. One day here will never fade. Miami magic floats your way. Just climb aboard, come what may. Biscayne Bay, your best day.